Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing this cute handmade mini handbag. It features 3 zipper compartments to keep everything organized, plus an adorable front pocket for quick access. Small, practical, and perfect for everyday essentials. I made this mini handbag using leftover cotton fabric from home. To make it stronger and keep its shape, I added interfacing inside. If you have canvas fabric at home, it will give an even sturdier result. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Let's make it together. First, we will make the front pocket. Prepare 1 outer piece and 1 lining piece, each measuring 10 by 16 centimeters. Cut along the edges following the pattern. For this part, prepare 2 magnetic snaps. Before attaching them, take a moment to measure the fabric carefully. Mark the correct positions first, so the magnetic snaps are placed evenly and neatly. Next, we will make the side panels for the front pocket. Prepare 2 outer fabric pieces and 2 lining pieces, with a size of 7.5 by 8.5 centimeters. Place the outer fabric and the lining together, then sew around the edges. Make sure to leave one side unsewn, so the piece can be turned right side out easily. Sew this piece onto the side, leaving a 1 centimeter gap from the bottom. After that, cover the edge with bias tape for a neat finish. Next, prepare 2 outer fabric pieces and 2 lining pieces, each measuring 13 by 18 centimeters. Then gently trim the corners, shaping them into a soft curve following the pattern. Join the outer fabric and the lining and sew around the edges. Make sure to install the magnetic snaps first before finishing the stitching. For the bag lining, prepare 3 zippers 22 centimeters long, 2 lining pieces 13 by 22, and 2 lining pieces 22 by 25.5 centimeters. Attach and sew the 3 zippers following the steps shown in the video. Repeat the same process for the remaining pieces. After all 3 zippers are attached, the next step is to sew all the edges of the lining. We are almost done with this part. Make sure to leave 1 lining edge open for turning later. Next, prepare 2 outer fabric pieces and 2 lining pieces, with a size of 23 by 3 centimeters. Then join them and sew. The inside of the bag is now complete. Next, we will work on the main body of the bag. Prepare 1 outer piece and 1 lining piece, measuring 38.5 by 15.5 centimeters. Then, mark the center on both sides and the middle of the fabric. At this step, make sure to follow the measuring and pattern cutting instructions shown in the video. And finally, our bag project is complete. You can now make this cute bag on your own. Don't forget to watch my latest videos. See you, bye-bye.